Make her scream loud in the lobby tonight, even though it's 12:15. A lobby of raging gamers who shout insults and scream.
I wanna shit in your mouth.
They say we're hacking cause they don't know how they die.
Hacker, fucking hacker, you.
Call of Duty Ghosts hasn't even tried. Your game is trash, you need to see. How the hell did a damn dog just kill me? It takes 10 minutes for it to load. This fucking blows. I hate ghosts, I hate ghosts. Don't wanna play anymore. I hate ghosts, I hate ghosts. My mom ain't a fat asshole. It's not fair, I'm not even gay.
You're so fucking gay.
But I still play on. Too bad your mom prefers me anyway. It's funny how they say that it's totally next gen, and how they once tried to excite me for fish and falling poles. They always say there's something new. The map suck dick extinction 2. Snoop Dogg, what's next for DLC? Miley. I hate ghosts, I hate ghosts. I'm done, this game needs to die. I hate ghosts, I hate ghosts. It's time to say goodbye. We all hate your lamest game. The graphics are balls. Can't see anyone when my set comes on the ground. I'm behind a wall yet still get killed by a stupid hound. No comment on the Wookiees hiding in the grass. I have seen better things come out of Bieber's ass. I hate ghosts, I hate ghosts. Oh shit son, you just got turned on. I hate ghosts, I hate ghosts. The theater mode is gone. I got banned cause I corner cat. I don't give a fuck. Screw you, I'll just go and play GTA.